Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and it's okay to push some things around as long as it's these beautiful wooden Phinus push pins. Now, I recently got a bulletin cork board where I wanted to pin up my beautiful memories and family members, and I wanted something that wasn't the typical plastic, colorful push pins that really detract from the beauty of what I am wanting to display. So I saw this set and I absolutely fell in love with it. I love the two-tone wood color, the one that's a little bit darker and then the light colored wood. And also to boot, it has these beautiful designs. It has a few big geometric shapes, cubes, spheres. It also has the classic look of a typical push pin, but in wood. So I think just everything about these are not only completely useful, it holds things up so nicely, but it looks beautiful at the same time. And the main reason why I chose this set is that it actually had little tiny clothespins with a pin on the back of it. So now you can push these clothespin pins in the cork board and then clip it to it. So if you have a photo that you don't want to puncture a hole in directly into it and you want to be able to maybe change the photo out or card, whatever you're holding, you have that option. And that's what I think just really makes this set stand out among others. I think it was such a creative, great idea that fit my needs. I definitely recommend these. I think you are going to fall in love with them as I have, and that's my point of view.